Yeah. Yeah, so I was talking to the guy, right? Yeah, so, no, seriously, no, listen. So he was like telling me, so John, I know I want to like invest in this property and whatnot, but my credit is absolutely awful. So really, is there even a point for me even doing this? Should I not even bother? And I'm like, bro, we got you. Hello, property investors. Welcome back. John Harris here, giving you the scoop on investment properties. And honestly, today I'm just coming at you because I've sent out a lot of emails to a lot of people, right? Giving out our information, the programs that we have to offer here at Rapid Funding, right here. And it's funny, I get a lot of people coming back to me asking me about, is there an option I can do with, because I have bad credit, or I have no credit, or my credit got ruined because a divorce, or a bankruptcy, or what have you, or I have a lot of really bad payments on my history. You have anything to offer for that, or I think you can help me because I have, bad credit history. And I think to myself, I just sent them an email, and on the very top of that email, the first program that I show is literally an asset-based funding program that we offer here at Rapid Funding Solutions. Asset-based. Asset-based means no credit check required.
What?
Your credit is not crucial to the loan. The loan is based on the asset that you are acquiring, as in the property that you are looking to invest in, to flip, to rent out, what have you. That's where the value is. So that's what the banks are going to be loaning against, not against your bad history of not making payments.
Oh my God! Wow!
So yeah, we'll still be able to give you a loan. Even with derogatories, late payments, some closed accounts, it just doesn't matter. Like, it really just doesn't matter.
It just doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter.
It just boggles my mind. It shows to me that people don't read their emails. Like, I send these things out to kind of get a little bit of attention. People know what we have to offer, but when the first question back or the first response back is that we can't help them because of their credit, I'm thinking to myself, the very first program that I put on my list is an asset-based program. So, I mean, I guess we're all guilty of it sometimes, because I have emails too that I don't always read fully. I'll skim through to the bottom usually and kind of go halfway, but you know what, it's human nature, so I can't really fault them for it, but man, it's just hilarious, really. Alright, so our purchase and refinance asset-based funding program that we have at Rapid Funding here, okay? What's it about? What does it require? How do you get it? Alright, so first off, I'm going to tell you this. Your credit is not going to be the mitigating factor. Now, better credit gives you better rates. Lower credit gives you lower rates, but your credit will not hold you from actually getting the loan, okay? We do have this program is out there to help people who have bad credit to invest in property, to then, we're here trying to help you. We want you to pay that back, right? So the investment is to actually make money. This is an investment for you and for us.
Let's make a deal.
So bad credit with derogatories and late payments are okay. It's not encouraged, obviously, but if you do have a lot of late payments for it, whether it's your credit cards or an old mortgage or car payments or a few derogatories, like a few accounts that got closed out, that's okay. We'll work with you. So the maximum loan to value ratio that we will do for this is 75%. Okay, so this is a bit higher than most of our other programs where it could be 9% or 85%. But in this case, the highest will go with 75% because there is a higher risk involved in these sort of loans based on the person's credit history. With these loans, we'll loan for as low as $75,000 up to $2 million for an asset-based loan, right? So you got a lot of wiggle room with that. You can get a lot of single-family houses, a few semis, condos, what have you. We have a lot of space and a lot of wiggle room for you to invest with this. So we got you on that, not to worry. With this program, it is a 24-month interest-only payments. So that is great for fix and flippers who want to invest in the property, and all they're paying back is the interest, not the principal, and then once they flip it, getting all that lump sum back and then getting out of there for the next fix and flip, okay? So that is great for a lot of people. They love it. I have a client who literally that's all they do, is they love to do the 24 month interest-only payments and just keep paying through that. So all they're making payments are is on the interest. Make their payments over those months of this interest while they're doing their fix, and when they flip it, then put all the lump sum back. So I mean, it's really great for those who are looking to, and even if you're investing long term, right? If you're looking to first get the property and fix it up first, then during that time of when you're repairing it or building it up to spec, you're really paying on the interest. You're not paying Now, for first-time investors, the loan-to-value ratio is actually going to be 70%. Okay, because again, when it comes to this business, experience does pay. The more experience you have with investing in real estate, the better it looks to a lot of the banks. So, unfortunately, if you are a first-time investor, we still will do a loan-to-value ratio, but it'll have to be only as high as 70%. It doesn't go higher until you've already had a house or two under your belt. Okay. Now the rates for this are a little bit higher. They're going to be about 8.75% up to 10%. Now this, of course, this is all on account of the lower credit rating for most people who are going into this program. So if you have a lower credit score, like 650, 620, even like no credit whatsoever, you'll be in the lower spectrum, in the higher spectrum of that interest rate. But if you have better credit, a little bit more established, but still want to go with this program, then you'll be in the lower 8.75 that we mentioned as the lower half for this program. So that's it. It's as easy as that. It really is just an asset-based property investment funding program for you, right? And again, your credit's not going to matter. Your credit's not going to have as much impact on your ability to acquire this loan and maintain this loan. It's going to be on the asset that you're buying. And honestly, it is a lifesaver for a lot of people. It's life-changing for a lot of people. But as long as you have that money down, again, nothing here is 100% financed. Okay, again, with the 75% we'll do, and 30% for first timers. But as long as you have the money to put down, I mean, it's really simple, easy peasy. Less than a week, got it done, and it's cut and dry, just like that. Okay, so again, any questions? Feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email. Again, it'll be down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button to help the algorithms on Facebook and YouTube, so that more people see this video, more people who are looking for help in this industry will see this video and be able to click on it. So again, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. All right, I'll see you guys next time.